she might just feel
Looks like she was able to get around all right.
Getting around on her own.
Hopping around.
Only on Fox, cancer treatment can be very stressful and downright frightening for people, with hours and hours spent getting the life-saving chemo drips.
Well, Honor Health in Scottsdale has teamed up with a nonprofit to help make those hours in the hospital a little bit more bearable. And Ty Brennan tells us how.
Okay. Hi, Jocelyn. It's therapeutic. It's therapeutic for the people. I've been a musician ever since 4th grade, but I learned the harp to do this work, specifically to do this work.
This is a job Jocelyn Obermeyer takes very seriously. The professional harpist, not playing in a concert hall or some fancy venue, but here, the Cancer Center at Honor Health in Scottsdale.
It's delightful, just delightful. I love it. I was diagnosed in January of pancreatic cancer.
Terry Bollinger has spent more hours than she cares to remember on this floor, sitting quietly, listening to the harp music as cancer-fighting drugs enter her body.
I went through 6 months of chemotherapy with the clinical trial. I had a PET scan 5 weeks ago, no active cancer. I'm now on maintenance. I'm on oral chemo. It's like, yes. It takes your mind off of everything other than the music, and you can go somewhere else. It's very nice.
In a place like this, from what they tell me, the music helps them reflect. It brings something happy in a time where there's some struggles.
And that's the point. Jocelyn is one of a handful of harpists who work for the Therapeutic Harp Foundation, a nonprofit.
What I do is I bring the harp, and the music brings comfort, reduces pain, reduces anxiety to the people that I work with.
Obermeyer says this is a job she was destined to do.
I used to be a principal of a school, and my parent, volunteer coordinator, got cancer. And a harpist came and played for her when she was in a palliative care unit. And she told me how much it spoke to her. It healed her on the inside, emotionally, spiritually. And she said it was out of everything that happened for her in that journey. When that harp music came, it just put her in a place that nothing else could. And it kept knocking at my heart to learn to play the harp, so I did. And then now this is what I do.
Obermeyer learned to play the harp in just a year and now spends a few hours every week playing for patients.
In a setting such as this, I'm watching a lot of their breathing, and I'm playing my pulse to match their breathing.
Each strum of the string calming nerves and easing pain.
And the music does the speaking. You know, we observe, and then we let this do that connection. That's exactly what it's about.
Ty Brennan, Fox 10 News.
I feel so calm after hearing that. It's beautiful. I don't listen to enough harp music.
It really is nice. And for all those people that are going through one of the toughest periods of their lives, just to have a little comfort.
And that live music, that someone's there to do that. It's been a big year for this group that's doing this. At the end of the year, they will have played for more than 100,000 people in 15 different Valley locations.